What's up guys, Bill here, Crave Automotive. We have an awesome spring day here, much better than the last video we shot. And we have another Land Cruiser back in the shop here this week that we built earlier this year. And we thought, why not take the opportunity to show you guys again what we did on this one. So Jim brought us this vehicle and he said, I want a unique, different kind of Land Cruiser build, something that you don't see every day. And I said, well, you know what? We work with this company called Nitop and they make some really awesome products for these vehicles. So why don't we look at that and see what they have available for the Land Cruiser? So that's what we did. We have a full Nitop build here with some of our kind of premium Crave spec on the rest of the build as well. So starting from the front, we've got the Nitop front bumper with Baja Designs LP6 lights on there. We got the recovery hooks in red. Underneath, we have the Nitop skid plate package, which includes the lower control arm skids. Under the engine bay, we have a ARB new brushless compressor with our actual Crave in-house build bracket. Not a lot of people know we actually make a lot of our parts in-house. So we're gonna start showing a lot of that more on this channel. So we have also a kind of our own little custom in-house power management system in here that allows us to get power from that battery in the back. On the last build, we showed you guys how we use an SDHQ kit. This is a little bit of a lower priced option that we're able to kind of accomplish the same thing for a need that doesn't need maybe a winch or something like that. On the roof, obviously, Sherpa roof rack. We love these. The Rainier racks are awesome. They look good. They function well. Jim does a lot of skiing down in Fernie, so obviously needs something to put skis or boards or what have you on there. Going to the wheel and tire package, I wanted something that kind of like looked good, you know, had a little bit of poke, but not looking too crazy. Obviously, we have those Nitop fenders on here, which is keeping things a little tamer. But for this, we have the FA16 black on black in 17 by 8.5 plus 20. And for tires, we have Yokohama Geolander AT-XD G017 tires. I love this tire. It's really nice and aggressive. It's got a great sidewall on it. In wintertime, I found they performed excellent. They do have the option to stud them too if you want to run a dedicated winter set. Yeah, excellent tire, looks great, much better than a Duratrack of the past. For suspension, we decided to go with a full Elka remote reservoir, low speed and high speed compression setup. Those 2.5 shock bodies are going to give you tons of dampening, nice controlled ride, and this truck drives absolutely beautifully. So Elka suspension, upper control arms are from Dobinson. On the rear, we have Dobinson rear coils. We have Dr. KDSS Panhard correction kit, and then we have Dobinson's upper and lower links. Just kind of correct the wheelbase, correct the ride of this vehicle since it's all lifted up, get that Panhard correction in there, just get the ride feeling nice. Going back to the front real quick, we wanted to make sure everything stays nice and clean. So we installed the full array of ARC splash shield products on here. So we've got mud flaps, the inner liners, as well as the crash bracket delete kit. Looking really, really nice. And honestly, it fits the whole look of this truck really, really well. On the side, we took out the factory side steps and installed the Nitop sliders. Pretty nice and simple install. They look clean, a little bit different. We're absolutely loving that. So Jim likes to go to Fernie, but he hates going to the gas station at Fernie. So on this visit, he decided, hey, I want to get an extended range fuel tank on here. So nobody better in the business than Long Range America. So we just installed a 23 gallon, which is about 87 liter fuel tank on this truck. It's an auxiliary tank, so it pumps right into your main fuel tank. Quick, simple hit of a button, get that done. Gives them 155 liters of total capacity. I don't think he'll be enjoying going to the gas station, but at least he won't be going there so often. So yeah, great build, guys. I'm really proud of this one. I'm loving the way it turned out. And so yeah, stay tuned for more.